Hey guys, it's Jack Scalfani again here. Hold on a minute, let me get situated better. Get my chair in, get comfortable so you can see everything. Okay, here's our workspace. I'm gonna try and show you the best I can on how to use the Sabo mirror box. I'm just a regular Joe. I've never done it before. I watched their training videos, which is really cool. They have unboxing videos, they have FAQ videos. If you're not a part of the Sabo like newsletter and YouTube channel, you need to join both of those, okay? But for today, we're doing the mirror box. This is pretty awesome. I mean, I trust that this works because I've heard of this before, but I've never seen it up close. So let me show you what this is all about. So I have a Sabo squeezy ball, and I got the Sabo little cubes. Okay, I'm gonna put that off to the side right now. All right, and then when you open your box, you got a Sabo mirror box product manual. This is really cool because what it gives you is, it gives you exercises all throughout the manual. Tells you what to do, okay? Super easy. We're gonna do that right now in this video. But first, we're gonna take this. This is our mirror box, okay? And you're like, what's a mirror box? Well, it's gonna open up into a box. So you're gonna open it up and give me moving things around to make room. And then you're gonna pull this little tab. See this tab right here? Just stick your finger in it and pull straight up until it makes a triangle. Keep pulling and keep letting it lean on itself, and then it makes a triangle. Let's back the camera up a little bit. There we go. This is what it looks like. You pulled it up, it stands by itself. It locks into place, you don't have to worry about it. So when you get your mirror box set up in a triangle position, you'll see it looks blurry right now. See, it looks like a mirror, but it's blurry, okay? So what you want to do is grab the corner. I don't know, you can see me. Hold on. There we go. What you want to do is grab the corner and just gently rub, and the corner pops up, and this film comes off. See? And just pull the film. That's a protective coating for your mirror box so that you can visually see what you're doing. Pull that off. There you go. Now that's a mirror box. Hey, look, guys. My hands are all working now. No, I'm just kidding. So anyway, so what you do is you're gonna take, here's my bad hand, okay? I'm gonna put it inside the box, in the triangle. Okay, I don't know if you can see my hands in there, okay? Just gonna set it in there and then put the box back where I can see myself, okay? So let's move this over a little bit more okay? So my bad hand just resting and relaxing. Tip that down just a little bit, there we go. So I've got my hand on the box. I've got my good hand on the outside in front of the mirror so I can see what I'm doing, okay? And then you've got these exercises they want you to do. So I'm not gonna do it right. I'm just gonna do one right now and give you an example. The whole book, go through all the exercises. If you need coins, get coins from somebody so you can practice picking up and putting it back down, picking up, putting it back down. Okay, so let's go here. There's one about the ball, the squeezy ball. So let's go to that one right now. Okay. And they got beautiful pictures. This is one of the best manuals I've ever seen, literally. Make a fist and then open your hand slowly. Oh, okay, so let's do that. Let's move this all out of the way so we don't need those. Okay, so the first exercise, I'm looking in the book. The first exercise is make a fist, then open your hand slowly and repeat that. Repeat 3 sets of 15, okay? So let's do that right now. So we're going to make a fist, then open your hand slowly. Make a fist. Now, for this to work, you have to visually look at the other hand. Your brain has to see your other hand working normally, okay? So you're gonna do your fist exercise. Now I'm doing it looking in the mirror, watching my other hand. And my hand, interesting enough, my hand has a desire inside this box. The bad hand has a desire. I'm sending signals because I think that my other hand's working, right? So it's tricking the brain, okay? So it's telling it, yep, my other hand works. Now my other hand wants to turn sideways and squeeze. And it is right now inside the box because it wants to. It just feels natural. I can't explain it. It's kind of weird. It's kind of interesting, the science behind it all. But so you do go through these exercises. I'll be doing this every day. You do this for 30 days. Okay, and then I'll be giving more updates on the mirror box, talking about how it's changed. Okay, so I got to do this 15 times. I'm not going to have you watch all the entire stuff, but let's do the other exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to look. Oops, 1. Can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's another exercise. So there's a few exercises. There's one where you grab the ball. Where's the ball one? Play or coins, foam ball. Pick up the ball, squeeze it, and place it back down. Okay. Now the key that I've learned through this whole process with Sabo is repetition. Repetition is like if you want to learn how to play an instrument, it's going to take practice after practice after practice. The more you repeat the same stuff, it becomes more natural. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab the ball. You're supposed to lift it up. You're supposed to squeeze it and put it back down. Now look at the mirror. So my hand inside this box, interesting enough, is wanting to move. It's crazy, but that's what we're doing. All right? Oops, sorry. Grab the ball, squeeze it, put it back down. Okay? Grab the ball, squeeze it, put it back down. Causing the hand inside to want to do these things. I can feel it. Sometimes my hand moves a little bit. Doesn't move as fluid as this one, but as long as you keep watching the reflection, it tells your brain that the bad hand is doing this too. It's the most intense thing ever. I can't explain it, guys. Just one of those things you got to try yourself. So do the exercises in the book. Be faithful to the exercises. This is a great science right here on how it works. They wouldn't be doing it if they didn't believe it and if they haven't seen it work before. So all I can say is go through the exercises every day. Okay? Be faithful, guys. I know it's tough, but continue to repeat. Okay? And do what the videos show you to do. Okay? I love you guys. This is the example of the mirror box, and I hope it works for you. I can feel it working already. This is only my first day, and I can feel the motion of my hand inside the box wanting to do what this hand's doing. Make sure you're always looking at the reflection. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.